Welcome to my workshop. In this video, I will show you 2 simpler ways to make a soft tube for the knot pillows and 2 more cool versions of how to tie them. In my previous video, I showed 2 other ways to tie the pillows and described the classic process of the tube making. I highly recommend that you check it out. We start the same way. Mark the 17 cm wide stripes on our stretchy fabric and cut them. Now I will show you a quick way to make a nice kind of seam like this without sewing. Option 1. Spread out the cloth right side up, add some hot glue about 1 cm away from the edge, cover it with the other part of the cloth matching the edges, and press it well while the glue is still hot. You can use the fabric glue instead of the glue gun. If you get it not even enough in some places, stretch it a little while the glue is warm and it will straighten out. But get the tube the wrong side out, and now I will show you a quick and simple way to turn it inside out. Take a tube from the paper towels and run the pipe through it. Then run the opposite end like this. Pull the tube on while turning it inside out at the same time. Like I promised, the process is quick and easy. A standard paper towel tube is good for about 2 meters of the cloth tube. If you have more, join a couple of towel tubes together with some tape. Then, as usual, stuff the tube with hollow fiber. Option 2 will work for advanced users of the glue gun. Spread out the cloth wrong side up, place the top edge a bit below the middle, and bend the bottom one under for about 1 cm. Apply the glue and press it. The seam comes out very nicely, and we don't even need to turn the tube inside out after. Keep on doing it for as long as you need to. If at some point you will need to join the stripes of cloth together, do it as follows. Place one stripe right side up, apply the glue and cover it with the other stripe that is placed right side down. And here's what you get. To stuff the tube, put it onto the paper towel tube and stuff it with hollow fiber like we did before. Now we're coming to the most interesting part, tying the pillows. For the first option, we will need 2 tubes, each 2 meters long. Find the centers of the tubes and place them transversely to each other at these points. Starting from the top end, arrange the ends of the tube like this. First the top, then the left, the bottom, and the right one. Run the right end from the top through this loop. Now pull the ends one by one to tighten the knot. This will be the center of our pillow. Now do the same but in the opposite direction. First the top end, then the right, the bottom, and the left one. And run it through the loop. And tighten them again. and once again in the opposite direction. Top, right, bottom, and run the left one through this loop. Now it will be easier to tighten them on the wrong side. You can sew the ends up, but I will just hide them like this for now, so you could see what the ready pillow should look like. Let's adjust it a little, and it's done. Looks a bit like a flower, doesn't it? For the second option, we will need one tube about 320 centimeters long. I fold it in half and lift the bottom end up, shaping a loop like this. Then I take the other end and run it through the loop from the top like that. Then run the same end through the loop from the top once again. Now let's get back to the first end and run it through the loop from the bottom, like that. All we need to do now is repeat the path. See, they even lie together. With this end, we repeat these two curves and this one is for those three. The ends of our tube should meet on the wrong side of the pillow. You can tie them like I did or sew them up. Now turn the pillow over and adjust it. I just love this version. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next videos.